OpenAI just released a new video model called SORA 2, and it easily beats any other video model out there. It can create videos that are so realistic it's hard to distinguish between real life, and it also adds perfect audio to it. Like, check this out.
Just gonna take one step. Sir, stop right there.
Huh? What?
Hands behind your back. You're under arrest for taking a step.
For stepping? I just moved my foot.
That's the charge.
Keep your feet still for me,
This
sir.
can't be
Watch
real.
your head getting
All
in.
for one.
And the best part is, it's completely free for anyone to use.
It's free! It's free! Sora 2 free?
I think so.
It's free! Bro, Sora 2's free!
Yeah, it's free.
No way! It's free! Somebody tell me I'm not dreaming! Sora 2 free!
In this video, I'm going to guide you how you can use SORA 2. I'm going to show you some of the videos that I created with it, and I'll show you how to get your own access code, and I'll help you through that. So let's get started. Alright, so SORA 2 can be found at sora.com or sora.chatgpt.com. And whenever you go, it'll show some of the videos that people have created. And then you're going to want to click on log in. And then you can sign up or log in. I'm just going to log in because I already have a ChatGPT account. And then you will be directed to the page of the old SORA page. So it's going to take you there, and you're going to want to click on the corner, the button that says Join New SORA. So whenever you click on this, it will do a thing, and you click Enter Invite Code. If you don't have an invite code, that's okay, because at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can get your own invite code. So once you have typed in your code, then you will open up to SORA 2. And so the first thing you'll see is a bunch of videos that other people have made. So actually, most of these are actually my videos. But as you can see, these are all videos that other people have made, so you can also see what other people have made. It's basically like TikTok, but AI generated content. This is also my video. Lots of these are my video, actually. And so you can just look around and see, and you can like things, you can comment. Both these are my video. And when you find a video that you like, you can click on it, and you can view the whole thing and comment.
Dion, you've just won a brand new curtain. A curtain! I got a curtain! Look at him go!
Well, basically all the videos that are on here are basically nonsense AI slop. But you can actually generate some pretty cool stuff. So there's a little box right here. You can type in a prompt. So I'm just going to type in, it's a man rapping about how cool he is while doing stunts. And then I click submit. It'll add it to the queue. So then I can go to my account and see all the videos that are being generated and the videos that I have generated. So then I can add another prompt. So I'm going to try flying at a high speed over a fantasy castle town and some nice cool movements. And then I can click the submit and it'll add it to the queue. And then I can generate multiple videos at once. So the limit is 3 per queue. And while we're waiting, I want to show you something cool. So you see all these icons of people's profile? If you click on them, it'll add their handle into your prompt. So you can actually include those people inside of your video. So here is Sam Altman. And so I can type him in a prompt. He's searching for GPUs for his company. And this is pretty cool because it'll actually include him in the video with his voice and everything. And you can also create your own self inside a video, and other people can use you too. Alright, so the videos have finished generating, and let's see the first one. So this one was about the man rapping.
Yeah, check it. I coast like a jet, no chain on the pedal, still never break sweat. Ollie up the steps, land like no crash. Parkour over walls like the city's my stash. Backflip clean, got the crowd leaning in, I'm the headline.
As you can see, that video was amazing. The audio was insane. And if I was an AI tech bro, I would probably think this was real. So let's see the next one. So as you saw, that video was pretty insane. I've never seen any AI generate something as good as that. And for the last one, the Sam Altman.
Where did we stash the GPUs? We need them like yesterday. Nothing on these shelves. This is bad. Hey, do you have any spare H100s?
I can't launch SORA 2 for free without more cards.
Okay, call me if you find something.
So as you saw, Sam Altman did indeed appear in the video, and it actually sounded like him. So this can also do cloning very well. So another feature is remixing, where you can edit the video and keep it the same. So I found this video.
Yours, man. Dion, you've just won a brand new curtain.
But I thought it'd be funnier if he just won a singular blueberry. So if I click this little icon that kind of looks like a remix icon, then I can edit the prompt. So I put it, instead he wins a singular blueberry, and he is even more excited.
Dion, you've just won a single blueberry.
Look at him go. Yes, best day ever.
So that was so funny, actually. I love this AI thing. And as you can see, you can edit other people's videos and turn it into anything. So it's good at making video games like GTA and Minecraft. Also, another thing it's good at is anime, so I made this anime scene.
I saw this and thought of you.
It's for me?
Yeah. Happy just because day, I guess.
Thank you. I love it.
So it can generate anime scenes very well. So sorry for those anime animators, their job is probably going to get taken. And now for the part that you've all been waiting for.
We want SORA 2 codes. We want SORA 2 codes.
Alright, so I'm just going to tell you guys how I got my code. So I went to this website and it said that it would give you free codes if you completed some tasks. And I did it and it worked perfectly fine and I got into SORA. But I just tried it just now and it wasn't working. I tried it 3 times. I'm not sure what the problem is. Maybe it is because whenever you get your code, you have to give another code back. Maybe people are giving back fake codes. So really the only option right now is to go on Reddit or Discord servers. That's what people are saying. Or maybe let's start a thing in the comments where if you get a code, you have to share one of your codes that you got so we can keep the chain going. I'm sure you can find a code. I thought I was never going to get a code, but I got one. And just to be nice, I'm going to be giving away some codes to one of my subscribers in the comments, so make sure to subscribe. I'll leave a link to the website in the description to see if it's working. And if for some reason you don't get your code, you can go down to the comments section and you can ask me to make a video about something. And I'm going to be posting a video of all of your guys' prompts that you gave me. And so make sure to subscribe so you get notified for the video. Alright, so that's all we have for this video. If you want to see more videos that are made by SORA 2, I recommend you click on this video, which is just a video of clips. So see you guys next time the next AI comes out.